Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the built-in address book inside Postal Methods. To get to the address book, you look over here in the left-hand side and you find our address book. Now there are a number of ways to populate the address book. Of course, you can import contacts into the address book. Now, something to keep in mind when you are going to import contacts is to first download the sample. What this will do, this will show you the format that your contacts need to be in for this to upload successfully. Then once you've created this CSV file, then you can share this CSV file with others who may be on your team so they can also upload those addresses into their Postal Methods account in the event that they also need to mail out to the same individuals on a regular basis. You can also add individuals into it manually. Another way you can do this is within the portal itself. You go to, say for instance, compose a letter, and in the return address field we can start putting a name here. And for the sake of the tutorial, I went ahead and populated this for you. But once you're done with it, you can click here, Add to Address Book, and then that address will be added to your address book. Same thing applies to the Send To address as well. That way, in the future, when you go to put that name in again, it's a nice feature is you can just put the first letter of that person's name, and it'll find it in your address book. Just click on it and it'll auto-populate for you. So it makes it a little easier down the road. So it's a nice feature in using the address book. But once you've actually put addresses in your address book, another benefit to it is you can also use that for other features. For instance, in the mail merge feature. Instead of pulling a CSV file, if you already have them in your address book, just select from address book, and then you can pull whoever it is you want to add into it. So first of all, you can go here, enter your information here as the return address. But once you've done that, you can go to the recipient information, and you can select the individuals you want to send that to. Once you've done so, click on Next. And then you can go from there in using those addresses in the mail merge. So the address book is a very nice feature you can take advantage of and use. Just a matter of getting used to using it. Well, this does hereby conclude this tutorial.